Hi, Jane. This is Ian from Hoover. I received a message from our call center about using your Max Extract's hose, and I have a few quick tips on how to use it properly. To attach your hose, first lift this door on the dual V nozzle like this. Insert this end of the hose in. Press firmly to secure it. You'll hear a click. Next, attach your solution tube here and select your tool. Turn your Max Extract on and squeeze this trigger on the hose to release water and solution onto your upholstery, and use the tool to pick it up. Hope this helps. If you have any more questions, you can reach out to us on Facebook or Twitter, give us a call, or you can email me directly at ian.mccormick@ttifloorcare.com.